outcomes. I, JV'N Preeti, Academic Coordinator of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jvwu. Today, today I will discuss about the B.Pharm and M.Pharm program outcomes in their evaluation pattern. So the specific program outcomes of the B.Pharm and M.Pharm are very important for the scope and opportunity of the B.Pharm and M.Pharm courses. So now we come to the introduction of the pharmacy. Firstly, we will discuss the vision of the pharmacy, lead the future of global healthcare and well-being of the commitment zone. So the mission is the Department of Pharmacy is committed to the education. So the education provide the most comprehensive and highest quality education for the pharmaceutical science in a learning environment that embraces diversity, equity, integrity, ethics, moral, courage, and accountability. So the next one is the community service. Conduct health education programs to the community to prevent disease and improve public health and necessary by fostering an environment that promotes the safe, efficacious and cost-effective use of medication. So the next mission is research. Develop a passion for discovery and innovations with multidisciplinary collaborative research and engage in creative partnership locally and globally to advance health education research and practice. So the entrepreneurship encourage and support resourcefulness, originality, imaginations, uh, integrity and vision in our students, faculty and staff. Foster the development of the entrepreneurs who have the ability to dream, inspire and innovate and courage to emphasize the commercial success and socio-economic productivity of individuals. So the program outcomes of the B.Pharm and the M.Pharm. Firstly, we will discuss the B.Pharm program outcomes for our students. So the collaborative skill to identify, assess and formulate problems and execute the solutions in closely related pharmaceutical industries. Counseling for prophylaxis and preventions of disease. A highly productive career and to relate the concept of the pharmaceutical science towards serving the cause of the society. So now we come to the M.Pharm program outcomes. Firstly, we will discuss the program objective of the M.Pharm in pharmaceutics. Firstly, the postgraduates will acquire adequate scientific information regarding basic principles of pharmaceutics, including cosmetology, specialized drug delivery system. They will also have hand-on training of practical steps of synthesis of active pharmaceutical ingredient and its intermediates along with the formulation and development. So the analysis and quality assurance of various pharmaceutical doses form, including those development analysis and quality assurance of various pharmaceutical doses forms, including those of herbal origin as per standard of official books WHO and other regulatory agencies. The postgraduate will be able to think logically and solve the problems will develop an ability to conduct, analyze and interpret data of pharmaceutical experiments in various departments. Example, drug discovery, formulation and development, production, quality control and quality assurance, etc. As per the need of pharmaceutical industries. So today we are going about the M.Pharm. This is the PCI recognized course. Students have to pursuing B.Pharm. This course is comprises of 2 years divided into 4 semesters. In case of eligibility, the student have to pass the B.Pharm. He or she might have the aggregate percentage approx of 50%. But in case of different universities, colleges and institutions in India, the percentage may vary. In case of admission, uh, based on the scope of pharmacy courses and the opportunity of the pharmacy courses is very important. So the postgraduate will develop an ability to visualize and work on multidisciplinary tasks. They will be able to demonstrate necessary skill, example working independently, time management and organizational skills. They will demonstrate an adaptable, flexible and effective approaches towards organizational development. The postgraduate will develop interpersonal skills such as influencing others, negotiating and working with others, conflict management and leading others through the problem solving process. They will be able to lead and function both individual and as a member of the team. Postgraduates will demonstrate knowledge of the professionals and ethical responsibilities as per pharmaceutical jurisprudence. They will be able to demonstrate knowledge and skills in all disciplines of pharmaceutical sciences and develop a sound pharmaceutical care plan to manage medication related problems. They will retire, evaluate and apply current drug information in the delivery of the pharmaceutical care and assure safe and accurate preparation and dispensing of the medication. So we will discuss objectives of the M.Pharm. The postgraduates will demonstrate the impact of the pharmacy knowledge on the society and also will be aware of modern issues. They will create awareness of healthcare issues throughout interaction with others and will gain a sense of self-respect towards community and citizenship. The postgraduate will be able to demonstrate a high level of understanding of the key stages in drug discovery, development, and commercialization. So this will be lead to the manufacturing of drug and pharmaceuticals, considering its impact on the environmental and surroundings. The postgraduates will swear by a code of ethics of Pharmacy Council of India in relation of community and shall act integral part of a healthcare system. They will demonstrate honesty, integrity, ethical understanding, and respect for others, and will carry out their professional responsibilities by adhering to high ethical standards. So the introduction of the B.Pharm and M.Pharm courses outcomes. Firstly, we will discuss the first year B.Pharm course subjects and courses, semester first. First one is pharmaceutics theory. Pharmaceutics theory is also the very important course for the B.Pharm. Firstly, describe the history of pharmacy and development of pharmacy profession and industry in India. So the describe various routes of drug administration, concept of doses form, unit operation involved in preparation of these doses form. Describe alternative system of medicine and explain the factors which influence the design of pharmaceutical doses form. Summarize the factor influencing the formulation of various doses form like solutions. So the next one is pharmaceutics practical is also very important role for the pharmacy field. So the explain formulation, evaluation and labeling of aromatic water, triglycerides, syrup, elixirs, and powder preparations. Perform pharmaceutical calculation to determine evaluation parameters like density, viscosity, specificity, and gravity, angle of repose, Car's index, Hausner's ratio of the preparation. Describe use of ingredients in formulation and category of formulation. Compare various monophasic preparation depending upon their formulation. Selection of suitable packaging material, container, closures for the preparation. So the next one is the human anatomy and physiology. Understand the relevance and significance of human anatomy and physiology of pharmaceutical science. Understand the basic terminologies used in anatomy and physiology, as well as prefix and suffix used to identify body part and directional terms. So the understand composition and functions of blood components and mechanism of blood coagulation. Understand the anatomy and physiology and disorders of the skeletal muscle, the smooth muscle, cardiovascular system, lymphatic system, and digestive system. Understand the importance of the health education and health promotion. So now we come to the what is the importance of human anatomy and physiology practical. So the understand the construction, working, care and handling of the instrument, glasswares and equipment required for the practical. Understand the significance of bleeding time, blotting time, blood group detection, hemoglobin detection and measurement of blood pressure. Knowledge of mechanism of white blood cell count and red blood cell count of blood sample. Demonstration of human cardiovascular system and digestive system with the help of charts and models. So next one is pharmaceutical organic chemistry. Illustrate relevance and significance of organic chemistry of the pharmaceutical science and clarity basic principle concept of organic chemistry. Explain the factors affecting strength of acid and base. Explain basic functional group and IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound and clarify isomerism and apply the knowledge in understanding the structure property relationship. Explain different reactions, intermediates, clarity, different reagents and their application reaction mechanism. The pharmaceutical organic chemistry practical explain correct use of various equipments and safety measures in pharmaceutical chemistry laboratory. Calibration of thermometer and understand the simple laboratory techniques, understand the significance and able to analyze organic compounds qualitatively, synthesis to derivatives. So the pharmaceutical and organic chemistry explain history of Indian pharmacopoeia and discuss types of water and method for reducing hardness of water, classify GIT agents. So the next one is the mathematics. This course would formalize the student with the basic tools that are employed in working out numerical problems in day-to-day operation in the labs, in the boards, in the community and related professional environment. This course is primarily intended to raise the level of numerical skill into a student who to join college with having mathematical form. So now we come to the AMFM course outcome pharmaceutics program specific outcomes pharmaceutics impart knowledge on the novel drug delivery system approaches criteria for the selection of polymers and drugs and their formulation and evaluation. To know various pre-formulation elements, industrial management and GMP considerations, pilot plant scale-up technique and stability testing, sterilization and packaging of dosage form. To impart knowledge and skills in generic drug development, various regulatory filings, the approval process and concept of generics across the globe. to impart knowledge and skill for dose calculation and dose adjustment and apply biopharmaceutics theories in practical problem solving, the pharmacokinetic model, bioequivalence, and potential clinical pharmacokinetic problem analysis. Skill development in pharmaceutical research, pharmacoinformatics, in drug development, in computational modeling, preclinical development, clinical development, and artificial intelligence and robotics, and computational fluid dynamics. To impart knowledge and skill necessary for the cosmetic and cosmeceuticals, their safety and efficacy, and current technologies in cosmetic industry. To gain knowledge in use of advanced instrumentation, formulation and evaluation of controlled release formulation, floating drug delivery system, transdermal drug delivery system, micromeritics, and mathematical simulation. So the M-Pharm course, M-Pharm in pharmaceutics, the courses is different. Modern pharmaceutical analysis techniques, drug delivery system, modern pharmaceutics, regulatory affairs, pharmaceutics practical, and the next semester, molecular pharmaceutics, nanotech, and targeted drug delivery system, advanced biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, computer-aided drug design, cosmetic and cosmeceuticals. So the M-Pharm course outcome for the pharmacology. Pharmacology, the course has broad relevance from its importance in the diagnosis and treatment of disease, and is very well connected to other courses of the curriculum. Students learn anatomy and physiology of human system, which in turn to require to understand pathophysiology of disease and mechanism of action of various drugs. Postgraduate courses relates to research aspects of pharmacological screening, development of newer animal models, pharmacovigilance, in vivo drug interactions, clinical trial, and toxicity studies during drug discovery process. uh, so different courses in M-Pharm pharmacology for SAM. First one is modern pharmaceutical analytical techniques, and second one is advanced pharmacology, pharmacological and toxicological screening, cellular and molecular pharmacology, and pharmacology practical. So the next semester, advanced pharmacology part 2 and pharmacological and toxicological screening method part 2, and principle of drug discovery and experimental pharmacology. For the advanced pharmacology, the students would appreciate the basic knowledge in the field of pharmacology uh, pertaining to the drug and its therapeutic application. They would have elaborately learned the recent advances in the drug used for the treatment of various diseases. They would have understood the concept of drug action and mechanism involved. Pharmacological and toxicological screening method. The student would appreciate the knowledge gained on preclinical evaluation of drug and recent experimental techniques in the drug discovery and development. They would have understand the maintenance of laboratory animals as per the guidance and basic knowledge of the various in vitro and in vivo preclinical evaluation process. They would have appraised the regulation and ethical requirement for the uses of experimental animals. Cellular and molecular pharmacology, the student would have understand the fundamentals knowledge on the structure and functional of cellular components. They would appreciate the interaction of these components with the drug. This would enable them to apply the knowledge in drug discovery process. They would have learned to explain the receptor signal transduction process. Now we come to the examination and assessment process. Examination assessment, the scheme of internal assessment and semester is given below. End semester examination, the end semester examination for each theory and practical course through semester 1st to It shall be conducted by the university except for the subject with the symbols in different types of tables, and for which examination shall be conducted by the subject experts at college level, and the marks grades shall be submitted to the university. Internal assessment in continuous mode. The marks allocated for the continuous mode of internal assessment shall be awarded as per the scheme given below. The scheme awarding internal assessment continuous mode. First one is the theory criteria. The attendance is to 4 marks, and the academic activity average of any 3 activities, example quiz, assignment, open book test, and field work, group discussion, and seminars is maximum 3 marks, and student teacher interaction is 3 marks. Overall total marks distribution is 10 marks. So the practical attendance based on practical record and regular viva etc is 2 marks, and viva is 3. Total is 5 marks. So the sessional exam, 2 sessional exams shall be conducted for each theory and practical course as per the schedule fixed by the college. The scheme of questions paper of theory and practical sessional examination is to given below. The average marks of 2 sessional exam shall be computed for the internal assessment as per the requirement of given table. Sessional exam shall be conducted for 30 marks for the theory and shall be computed for 15 marks. Similarly, sessional exam for practical shall be conducted for 40 marks and shall be computed for 10 marks. Now we come to the question pattern for the theory sessional examination for the subject having university examination. Uh, Multiple choice question. Uh, 10 into 1 is equal to 10, and objective type question is 2. Each question is 5 marks. 5 into 10 is equal to 10. The long question, answer 1 out of 2, 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Short type questions, 2 into 5. So the all over marks, total marks is 30 marks. Question paper pattern for the practical sessional examination. Synopsis is 10 marks, experiment is 25 marks, and viva is 5 marks. Total practical sessional exam is 40 marks. So the question paper pattern for end semester theory examination for 75 marks paper. First one is multiple choice question. Is 10 marks. Uh, each question is 2 marks, 10 into 20. And second one is the long questions, 3 long questions out of 3 long questions out of 2, and 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Short answer, answer 7 out of 9. Each questions carry 5 marks, so 7 into 5 is equal to 35 marks. All over and term theory question paper is 75 marks. Uh, for 50 marks paper, long answer and short answer, answer 2 out of 3, 2 into 10 is equal to 20, and short answer, answer 6 out of 8, 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Total 50 marks. For 35 marks paper, long answer, short answer, long answer, answer 1 out of 2, and answer 5 out of 7. The synopsis is 5 marks, and experiment is 25 marks, and viva is 5 marks. So thank you, students. This session is powered by the 2.0 digital version.